A volatile Monday after the Japanese election this weekend that drove dollar-yen above the 150 round number and also opened with a bullish gap. We have the Fed minutes later this week on Wednesday that are going to have some clues about the September rate cut and the expectation for another rate cut at the end of this month on 28th that we have the Fed interest rate decision. Also, Bitcoin had a new record high above the 125,000 level, and gold prices are near to reach the 4,000 round number. So having a start with the dollar yen at our video here today, we can see that the price is holding above the previous high at 149.95. It reached a new 2-month high at 150.40 earlier today and is holding well above the short-term SMA's opening with this bullish gap that we can see here. So if there is a closing session above this line there, then the price, it may reach the previous peak at 150.95 and even higher, the 61.8% Fibonacci at 151.65. Alternatively, from a technical perspective, we're waiting that the price, it may recover this gap here before continuing this upside structure. So we may see the price returning lower, reaching these short-term SMAs around the 147.90 area, and even lower, it may reach again this uptrend line around the 38.2% FIBO at 147.17. Now, having a look at the technical oscillators, the RSI is pointing upwards above the 50 region, and the MACD is trying to cross above its trigger line, holding above the 0 area. So both of them are confirming that we may see some more gains in the market before recapping this gap. And now having a look at gold prices, that we had another all-time high earlier today near the 3940 region. And the expectation is to reach the 4,000 round number anytime soon, ahead of the 261.8% Fibonacci extension level at 4120, taken from this down leg here from the peak at 3,500 to the lows at 3120. The price is still holding above this steep upturn line that it has been drawn since August 21st. So on the other hand, if there is a break below this upturn line, we may see the price testing again the 3790 support area. The technical oscillators are still holding in the overbought territories. The MACD is standing above its trigger and 0 lines. The stochastic is pointing upwards, creating a bullish crossover between its percentage K and percentage D lines, and the RSI is also ticking up above the 70 region. There are no signs for any downside correction for now, but we'll have to be cautious when gold prices aren't going to create a bearish correction. And having a look at Bitcoin now, that we had a new all-time high above the 125,000 area, and it reached the 125,650,000 level in the previous days. And but it quickly returned lower, and we can see that it's currently holding beneath the previous peak at 124,500,000 region. So if the price fails to have a closing session above the 125,000 level, then the price, it may create a negative retracement, maybe reaching the 118,000 support level and even lower. The short-term SMAs around the 114,000 to 116,000 area. Even lower, this long-term uptrend line, it may also be a strong support for traders to have in mind. But to the upside, if the price continues this bullish momentum, then it may find resistance near the next round numbers, such as 126 and 127,000 levels. Now, having a look at the momentum oscillators, both of them are suggesting that more gains could be on cards. The MACD oscillator is still strengthening its upside momentum. The RSI is ready to cross above the 70 region and is still pointing upwards. So we have signs that the price, it may continue the bullish movement. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.